Introduction to Advertising. This is please. This is 100 marks paper and 3 hours. Modules. You are having 4 modules are there. 1 A, B, C. Second, on the same way, second A, B, C. Third, A, B, C. Fourth, A, B, C. Started. So these are the 4 modules. So in today's lecture, we'll try to discuss the background of the subject. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about what is advertising and what is advertising in the sense how advertising is important from the market point of view, from business perspective, from our individual point of view, how it is important, and what are the career opportunities, job opportunities, and you can also enter into a world of freelancing. That all we have discussed, information we have discussed in the previous class. Now in this class we are going to discuss about what we are going to learn in case of advertising. So we should be aware. It's a humble request in your book. It should be there. You should be writing the syllabus. Why it is important to write down the syllabus? Because at the first level you should be aware what is there in the syllabus, what we are going to learn in the coming 3-4 months. Point number 1. Second thing, advertising is a very practical subject. Everywhere, whether you are there in a, or you can say there indoor advertising, outdoor advertising, yes, or whether it is print media or broadcasting media, or whether it is digital social media platforms, we all are totally engrossed somewhere or the others in these areas. So the point is, if we are well versed with the syllabus, if we are aware what is there in the syllabus, if just for example social media is there, digital media is there, digital advertising is there, outdoor advertising, television advertising, I hope you understanding. So when we are actually there into the market, when we are actually practically experiencing live into the market, we will be aware कि ये तो हमारे syllabus में है. I hope you are getting the point. So what you can do it, or what you will be doing in the near future, you can connect theory and practical, and that also you can connect theory and practical into your answer sheet, into your answers, and then only you will be enjoying this subject when you are well versed with the syllabus. Well versed in the, I am not asking you to learn it, just go through it, what is there in the syllabus. I hope this is very clear to everyone. For example, at the very first level, there 4 modules are there. Module number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In each module you are having 3 sections are there. How many sections? 3 sections are there. So in the module number 1, they have discussed about introduction to advertising. Module number 1, they have discussed about introduction to advertising. Now in this they have discussed IMC advertising classification. 3 sections they have discussed. They have discussed at the very first level, they have discussed about IMC advertising and classification. They have discussed about classification. Now what is IMC? we will be discussing later on. It is all about integrated marketing communication. At this level, at the module first level, they are trying to introduce about the advertising. What is advertising? What are the importance? What are the features? What is all about IMC? What are different types of advertising? And what are the different classification of advertising? They have discussed at this level, module number 1 level. Module number 2, they have discussed about advertising agency. What they have discussed about advertising agency. This is also very important thing. Nowadays, the job of advertising, two ways are there. One is either in-house advertising agencies, or there are full-fledged advertising agencies which are there. Or in a nutshell, you can say that the job of advertising is been outsourced to a third party, and that third party technically are known as what? Advertising agencies. So there is a full job opportunity, career opportunity in case of advertising agencies. Or you can sell your services in piecemeal basis through freelancing. Yes, everyone. Or at the very big level, you can set up your own advertising agency. Are you getting? Just for a very class example I need to give you. And that example is, listen, friends are there. Okay? A bunch of people, a bunch of friends, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, whatever is the number. For example, it's an idea, it's a business idea. One person is good in, for example, taking video. Another person is good in editing part. Another person is good in sound, graphics. I hope you're getting the point. Another person is good in the dubbing. So lot many areas are there. So why not we can make a venture? Are you understanding, friends? Form a group. Okay, I am good in XYZ. You are good in so and so. We will club and we'll form a venture or small organization. Okay, but before entering it, there should be what? There should be what? Whatever is the number of people. What is this? There should be MOU, memorandum of understanding should be there. 5 दोस्त है, 10 दोस्त है, कोई प्रॉब्लम, 10 लोग आ जाओ. By I am good in this, I am good in speech, I am good in communication, I am good in, for example, writing, I am good in, for example, creativity, I am good in editing what? Graphics है, video है, dubbing, ये सब different lines are there. ठीक है? तो ये सब जमा हो जाओ, sign a member of understanding. ठीक है? Rules and regulations. कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेगा, कितना प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो रहेगा, कितना लॉस रहेगा, whatever is the situation. So देखो, try to understand at this level you can start your own. बोलो बेटा, you can start your own business, you can start your own venture. बल्कि last year one boy was there, he was good in singing, sound, he was good in singing. उसने अपने दोस्त को मिला के एक पूरा वेंचर स्टार्ट किया. लास्ट ईयर दे पास आउट फ्रॉम TY. Yes. So if I'm not wrong, he was there in SY when he has started this venture. So why not you are encashing your skills? Why not you are encashing your creativity? Why not you are encashing your ideas? So in a nutshell, कहाँ से कहाँ चले गए? We were on module number 2 is all about what? Advertising agencies. For example, Ogilvy and Mathur, मुद्रा, ठीक है, and JW something, ठीक है, and many more advertising. This is for example bright advertising agencies are there in the market. देखा होगा आपने? So these are the advertising agencies which are accepting full-fledged orders of full-fledged ventures from the company. Large companies, multinational companies, what exactly they are doing it? They are just outsourcing the advertising job to the companies. And these companies, they are charging huge amount in returns for their job. Third part is economic and social aspects of advertising. Economic and social aspects of advertising has been discussed in module number 3. What are the social aspects of advertising? What are the economic aspects of advertising? There, for example, what are the ethical part, unethical part in case of advertisements? How the companies, they are, in order to push their product or services, they are adopting unethical practices. For example, you want to sell perfumes, sell it, ठीक है, but don't adopt unethical practices, unethical advertising while selling the product. For example, what not they are showing while selling Engage or X. Are you getting the point? Are you understanding, friends? X or Engage, may what exactly they are doing it. For example, it is a requirement, you want to sell undergarments, sell it, but on the basis of undergarments, what not they are showing in their advertising, huge hoardings. Take an example of Jockey and many other companies. You sell the product, but sell in a disciplined manner, sell in a ethical manner. Are you understanding, friends? Yes. For example, you want to sell condoms, sell it, but economic aspect is all about what? Economic aspect is all about what? Money. Before doing the ads and after doing the ads, the sales has gone up or not, the profit has gone up or not, the market share has gone up or not. All these different aspects has been discussed in case of economic and social aspects of advertising. I hope you understanding, friends. Another topic which is all about brand building and special purpose advertising. Brand building and special purpose ads, or in a nutshell you can say that the trends in advertising. In this module number 4, they have discussed about brand building. Brand is what exactly? Brand is nothing but by adopting some or the other means, by adopting some or the other elements, a product is been converted into what? Brand. For example, it's a markers. Yes, friends? But now it is what? A brand, DOMS. This is applicable anywhere and everywhere. If you are launching a product, it's a product. But by adopting different ways or means, for example, not many ways or means are there. For example, brand ambassador. You will push your product by brand ambassador. Yes, everyone? And lot ways or means are there which we are going to discuss when we are going to discuss about the brand building part. How you need to convert your product into a brand, which will logo, no doubt, it's also one of the ways. So by which in the long run your brand will fetch what? Price. Your brand will demand or the brand at the first level it's just a product. At the second level it converts into brand, and in the next level it converts into what? Goodwill and reputations. In the long run, your by the name of the product itself, the product will be sold. And if you are going to sell your product or services, you can also demand for goodwill. Are you understanding, friends? That is the reason, try to understand, that is the reason when you are calculating goodwill from the accounting point of view, you are multiplying by number of years, 3 years, 5 years, whatever. It means that during these years, this product was what? This product was moving on the market. There was an effort in developing this product. Now the product has reached to the level of what? Brand. Now the product has reached to the level of fetching a price that is known as what? Goodwill. Now the other companies, they have to pay the price for goodwill also. Goodwill is nothing tangible, my dear. It is intangible. I hope you understand it, friends. You can feel. So goodwill is something. So in a nutshell, how your product can be converted into a brand, or what are the different ways or means by which you can develop your product or you can convert your product into a brand. On the same way, special purpose advertising, or you can say there are trends in advertising. For example, what are the career opportunities which are available to the advertising? How the advertising industry is changing? What are the changes which are taking place in case of advertising world? Just we'll have a comparative analysis. For example, in case of banking sector, it has moved from the barter system toward crypto and bitcoins at present. Lot many changes, lot many trends has taken place in case of what? In case of banking sector. For example, in case of your marketing world, it has moved from some of the say exchange, production, product, selling, marketing, to what? To holistic concept. Relationship marketing, for example, integrated marketing, internal marketing, performance marketing. These are the present day jargons, these are the present day trends or changes which has taken place in case of marketing world. advertising is not an exception to it. Now, in case of advertising, the thing has changed tremendously. Can you tell me how it has changed from what to what level? Long ago, traditionally, they used to write on the rocks. I hope placards, शटर, वॉल्स, रेलवे लाइन के साइड में आज भी आप देखोगे. These are the olden ways. Sandwich man, balloon advertising, sky advertising. Nowadays also the balloon, the sandwich man, sky advertising. Take an example of during Olympics, during FIFA, during some special events, a huge event, the international events. They are going for what? Sky advertising, or you can say the balloon advertising. Now it has changed from that level to what? Yes, my dear, to what? Now AI is being used in advertising. Artificial intelligence is being now the advertising has reached to that level. It has reached, or it has changed the perspective. Previously, we used to have what? We used to have print media. Yes, it can be your newspapers, it can be your magazines, it can be your brochures. Yes, print media. Or it can be your broadcasting media, televisions, radio. Yes, everyone. So broadcasting media. It can be your indoor media and outdoor media. Indoor media, once again, for example, newspapers, magazines, pamphlets, and many other things are there. It can be television also, or it can be your, yes, print and broadcasting, indoor and outdoor, out of the home advertising. Pamphlets are there, then hoardings are there, huge hoardings are there, transit medias are there, neon sign, balloon advertising. Now, in case of hoardings, there is a change nowadays. Are you understanding, friends? Abhi now hoardings is not only hoardings. It includes what? Digital advertising. I hope the scope of advertising is increasing like anything. Previously, what used to happen? By a huge hoardings लगाया आपने highway पे wherever. Yes, that was fixed. 10 दिन, 15 दिन, 1 महीना, that was fixed. Now, the way of generating revenue has also increased. Now, under one hoardings, in every seconds it is changing. 5 seconds, 20 seconds, जो भी उन्होंने time limit लगा दिया, 30 seconds, it will change. Are you understanding? Can you imagine the changes or the dynamic changes which are coming up in case of advertising world? Augmented reality, virtual reality. Now there is a interaction within the advertising itself. Now they can interact, they can enjoy. Digital advertising is growing like anything. As already discussed, huge amount of money can be generated with the help of advertising. Either expenditure point of view, those who are availing the services, or from the company's point of view, those who are selling their platforms. Listen. Previously, company used to incur huge amount of their financial resources for out of home or outdoor advertising or television advertising. Now there is a shift from television to what? To digital advertising. There will be a huge demand for, at present also and in the near future also, there will be a huge demand for digital advertising. Another big area is there, for example, political advertising. Which, my dear? Political advertising. Millions of dollars are incurred. एक तो अभी ये हुआ हमारा इंडियन इलेक्शन. Yesterday only the decision was declared. Election result was declared. Where? अरे where? UK? Yes, everyone. एक और third is going on. Where? पार्लियामेंट में बेटा. पार्लियामेंट तो हो गया टू सम एक्सटेंट. चेंजेस आएगा अभी. अरे इंडिया का हुआ, यूके का हुआ, अभी थर्ड लाइन पाइपलाइन में कौन सा है? इटली. ओके. यूएस बाइडेन और डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प का चल रहा है. अरे यूएस का गोइंग ऑन और नॉट? यस. But the point is why I am bringing election here in advertising. Political party, they are investing huge amount on advertising. The largest party which has incurred on advertising was in this election was none other than but it was BJP. Is it okay, friends? So this is the modules which we are going to learn it in the coming sections or in the coming lectures. Introduction to advertising, advertising agencies, economic and social aspects of advertising, and brand building and special purpose advertising or trends in advertising.